Hey friends, welcome back. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Today we're going to be making something so fun to make with kids and that they love to eat, which are gummies. So we're using two great products with my friends at Perfect Supplements. We're using their bovine gelatin to give it that signature gummy texture. And we're also using Baobab, which is a raw fruit powder that is packed with fiber, is one way to add more goodness into our blueberry Baobab Gummies. They come together so simply. We're taking frozen blueberries, combining it with our Baobab powder and gelatin, boiling that because you got to do that when you're making gummies, and then simply putting it in our molds in the fridge. And then just like that, you've got some easy bite-sized gummies to enjoy where you're getting more antioxidants, you're getting more fiber, you're getting more gut healing gelatin, the amino acids, the protein, all that goodness in a treat, honestly. We add a little bit of honey in to bring a little more sweetness, but you could omit that if you want to. Let me walk you through how we're gonna make these. Hope you enjoyed that easy how-to. Now you can change the flavor so easily. I have made these with frozen cherries, frozen strawberries. Now the one thing I would avoid are maybe raspberries or blackberries, just because the seeds make it a little harder to get that gummy texture, that smooth texture. But experiment with it, play with it, get some more extra goodness in. We're getting some great amino acids from our gelatin, and we're getting that goodness from our fruit powder. Definitely check out the recipe link down below and check out Perfect Supplements. They've got so many great supplements that just add more goodness into our diet. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know, do you love gummies? Do your kids love them? What are some of your favorite flavors? I want to hear, and I'll see you soon. Bye.